Hmm. Wait a minute. I know what I'm thinking. I'm just going to play a remix from Sophia the First World Magic. All because that I'm excited for tomorrow's outing. Okay. Oh, hi. Huh? What are you doing to Clementine's radio? What are you doing, Elizabeth? 1 second, okay? Elizabeth, you know that everybody is sleeping right now, okay? Oh, man. It's my time. There's a women. Okay, now it's bedtime. Good night. It's my time. What? What do you mean good night? Why is there music playing on Clementine's radio? Yeah, just why, Elizabeth? Man, she never answers. I know. It's just a thing that Elizabeth never answers. Guys, what's going on? And why is there a remix from Sophia the First World Magic? Well, I don't know. And Elizabeth is not answering us. Yeah. Every time that Elizabeth plays music, she always goes to sleep and not answer our questions. Exactly. She always does that every single day. Oh my goodness. Why would Elizabeth just answer us for once, okay? Seriously. Hey, you know what? What, Sophie? What's going on? I have a better idea. How about we can turn off the music? Oh, great. That's a good idea. We should turn off the music. No, please. I don't want you to turn off the music. This remix is fun. I want to enjoy it while I sleep. But, Elizabeth, no. This is not calm music. It's very loud, and you might wake people up, okay? Yeah. If you do this again, you'll wake somebody up. But, Arlene! Hey, I can't hear ya. It's too quiet. It's not quiet, Elizabeth. It's so loud. Yeah. It's so loud for people who are going to get some sleep. We need something that is quiet. Yeah, exactly. Oh, seriously? Man, I love calm music. Not loud music. Clementine, I'm helping you feel better, right? No, this is not helping me feel better, Elizabeth. But how about the music? You know what, Clementine? I'll ask Sophie to turn off the music. That's a good idea, Arlene. I really appreciate it. What? No, don't ask Sophie to turn off the music. I love it. Sophie, can you please get up? Get up. Man, what's wrong? We're asking you to turn off the music so we can get some sleep. Yeah, for tomorrow's outing. Sure, why not? There we go. Aw, man. But why? Why would you do that, Sophie? So we can get some sleep, Elizabeth. Aw, man. Elizabeth, please don't do this ever again. We really need our sleep. Exactly. Oh, great. Now everything is ruined. Clementine, it's okay. At least the music is over, and that means we can get some sleep. I understand that, Arlene, but I forgot to brush my hair on time. Well, Clementine, maybe you should have just brushed your hair before you go to sleep. Okay, I guess that's a good idea, baby. Okay, now let me go back to sleep. Good night, Clementine. Good night, baby. Good night, Arlene. Good night, Elizabeth. Good night, Sophie. Good night. Good night. Good night. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness, that scared me. What's wrong, Arlene? Oh my goodness! Wow, there's 5 owls in this window. I didn't even realize that. What? 5 owls? Yeah, this is so weird. Oh my goodness. Let me wake up Clementine. Clementine! Clementine! Can you please stop hitting my bed like that, Arlene? Oh my god. Arlene, why would you wake me up? It's too early. I realize the time, but look. Look at the owls, Clementine. Arlene, no. It's 11 o'clock at night, okay? And people need their sleep, okay? Just stop. Wait. Don't go back to bed yet. Oh, why, Arlene? Because I saw 5 owls, you know. Oh, yeah. She saw the owl family. Oh, really? Okay, just a little peek and then I'm going to sleep, okay? Is that fine? Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah. Oh, no. Why can't I get some sleep? Look, Elizabeth. Here's the owl family. What do you mean? Here comes the owl family. Okay, owl family coming right up. Hey! Elizabeth, stop it. I want to see it too. No. I went there at first, right? No, you didn't go there first. It's my bed, not yours. Come on, Arlene. I want to see the owl family. Shh, Elizabeth, please. People are sleeping. Doesn't even matter. Hey, don't push her like that. Yeah, please. That's very rude. Hey, I'm sorry, but I really want to see the owl family, and Arlene is in my way. No, I'm not in your way, Elizabeth. Much better. Hey, look at that. Hello, owl family. Wow, I'm so glad that you're here, right? To sing me a song before we go to sleep. Since my sisters decided to turn off my music, I want to listen to your songs instead. Man! Oh, great. I know. That was great, baby. Not really. No! Arlene, are you okay? I'm fine, baby. I'm fine. Okay. Elizabeth, can I please have a turn with the window? But why? I want to see the owl family singing a song, okay? Well, I understand, Elizabeth, but I want to turn. Excuse me, I don't want to get in your way. Oh, I'm sorry. Your bedroom is kind of small. It is very small. Okay, now, excuse me. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Clementine. Let me move. Thank you, Arlene. Okay, now let me see the 5 owls here. Really? Well, yeah. Just a quick little look. Look at that! They're singing me a song. Look at that. Hey, Clementine, they're singing me a lullaby. That's just great, Elizabeth. I don't want to stir them for too long, or else we won't get any sleep. Yeah, don't you want some sleep, Elizabeth? Yes. So yeah, we demand that we go to sleep now, okay? Okay, now let's go back to bed, okay? It's kind of late. Yep, it's kind of late. Alright, let me go back to my sofa bed. Alright. I'm sleeping next to you, Arlene. Oh, okay. Can you please move, Clementine? Oh, okay. Let me go to my bed. Oh, great. Good night, you guys. Good Good night, baby. Good night, baby. Good night. Good night.